Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got another unboxing for y'all and I am so excited for this, so let's get inside. Got my handy dandy hotel knife here. Let's go ahead and cut this open. That satisfying sound, right? I am just so excited to actually have it in my hands. So we got some bubble. Alright, first off, I have ordered a MIDI cable for my iRig controller. That's going to be useful. But the next thing I have inside of this box is the u-phoria UMC 204 HD interface. I have been thinking about purchasing this for so long, and it's finally mine. I know it's not the best, it's no Focusrite, but I'm going with it. But we also have a MIDI in and out. Let's get into the box and I'll show you exactly, because I am so excited. How do I get this open? Oh man, there's tape. Moment of truth. Let's get inside. A sticker, which is nice, a decal. The quick start guides, Chinese and Japanese maybe? And we also have the English version right here. Let's dive deep inside. Oh, styrofoam. Sounded like something was in that. I was totally right. There was a cable inside of this styrofoam. Oh, rookie move. Let's get rid of that. I really don't care about the box at this point. Don't need much. So I'm gonna throw that to the side. So let's see, we have our cable here. This is a USB interface. USB ports right here, they power the interface. So let's throw that to the side. I wanted something that was going to be good for me in my situation and not really caring about what other YouTubers use out there, because at the end of the day, you gotta be your own style. It's here, silica, all metal design right here. Some sort of plastic on that. It does 192 kilohertz, 24 bits. I cannot express the bang for your buck on this. I got this for, I think it was $79. We have the main out and inserts right here, the two MIDI, the USB, and a Kensington lock. Oh my gosh, I am just so happy I have this right now. So happy. So happy. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe down below if you like this channel and you want to see more. Do the thumbs up!